Hi guys, let's learn index function in Google Sheets. So let's say we have to find the value of the row 3 and column 2. So let's say this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. So we want to find the value of third row and the column 2. So how to find this using index function? So double click on the field, type equals to index, and when you click on it, you'll find that first item is reference. So which reference we are taking? So we have to select all the data with which we want to operate. So here we will just select this whole data. Please note that we are not concerned with this serial number. When we have selected this data, then the first row will be this row, the second row will be this, and third row will be this, like this. Okay. So whatever you selected, that becomes the reference. Now type a comma. Now we will type the row number. So let's say we want to find the second row. So let's type 2 and then type comma and then type, let's say we want to find third column, type 3 and close the bracket, hit enter, and we will find this. Okay, so we can see that the value of row 2 and column 3 is banana here. Let's learn it by example. So let's say we have two fields, ID and data type, and whenever I input something in the field, I want a value here or anywhere. So let's say type index function, index. First thing is the reference, so we'll select the whole table. Now the second thing will be can be single dimensional or multi-dimensional. So let's say I want all the results of ID3. So what we'll do first we'll select this field H6 here, H column, and this is the 6. Okay, so H6, whatever I input in H6, I want the results here in the next cell values, and hit enter, and here it is. It has given the result of ID3. Just change it, whatever you change, hit enter, and it will change like that. Okay, now let's go with multi-dimensional, and that will not give only the row number, will also give the column number. And this is the data type column, just select it, I6, and hit enter, and you will get the data type. So for the first row, the fourth data we have required here, and it is displayed. Let's say we want the third data, the department. So input it and it will give me the department. Let's find the second row and second data, and that is Bob. Bob is in the second row, the second column. Okay, so in this way we can use the index function. Thanks for watching. Please do like.